Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make this gorgeous macrame snowflake. It's one of my favorite holiday decorations and I can't wait to walk you through the steps. Grab your cords, your scissors, a wooden ring and your favorite drink and let's get started. Start by cutting your cord into pieces that are 75 cm long. Then fold the cord in half to create a loop. Use cowhid's knot to attach the cord into the ring. To do this, pass the loop through the end and then pull the two ends of the cord through the loop to secure it. The knot we are going to use to form the snowflake is a variation of cat's paw knot. After attaching the cord, leave the loop slightly loose. Twist the two ends of the cord 3 times. Try while knotting to keep the knot stretched and loose. Finally, push the loop upwards to lock everything into place. Once you have tightened the knot and pushed the loop upward, you will notice that it might not look perfect right away. This is totally normal. Adjusting the cord bit by bit is key to getting the final shape just right. So we are going to repeat the process to create 6 petals in total, which will form the structure of the snowflake. And while I was working on the snowflake, guess who decided to join me? My cat Chico. Now I want to show you a slightly different version of the snowflake using merino wool instead of the usual macrame cord. Using merino wool gives the snowflake a chunky, cozy feel, perfect for a rustic or Scandinavian style holiday decoration. And that's it guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment letting me know how your snowflakes turned out. Happy crafting and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye!